Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Redline Moss. Thanks for tuning back in. In front of me, we're staring at the new 2023 Honda Accord. This is an EX model. Below this trim is going to be an LX model, but above the EX trim is all hybrids. All right, so EXL, Sport, Sport Touring. That's going to be all hybrids. And yeah, let's get to it. So pretty much just do the unlock button real quick. This is the exterior. Show you guys what the front looks like. Unlock button like that. There's no fog lights whatsoever. All right, lock. So that's pretty much gonna be turn signals as well on each side. The LEDs that just blinks. You got the Honda badge that's inside, so you can't really like take it out. It's got like a clear shield over it. It does have an active grille shutter. It's pretty dope. It's 192 horsepower. And coming through on this side, you got 17-inch wheels. That's how they look. And there is no more 2.0, guys. Just trying to let you guys know. There's only 1.5s. It's the side. It's got the rockers in the bottom. They're matte black. Even the front splitters in the back and the bottom is also matte black. And it's all LED. Headlights, turn signals, brake lights, LED, reverse lights right there. The only thing you got is a Accord badge in the back. And yeah, that's the back side. That's how it looks. And you got the gas on the gas cap on the left side. So if you press you do have a remote start, so let's start it up and see how it's going to be. All right, there you go. That's how it is for remote start. And to shut it off, if you don't have to use it, if many people don't know about this, if you just press and hold it again, it will shut off. So you don't have to go out there and shut off the car and go back inside. But let's so the trunk says self-opening trunk, which you press the unlock button, it opens up completely. That done. And then you have two splitters for the seats to go down on each side. So you can choose the left side or the right side. But you gotta close the trunk by yourself. And getting it in the back side. In the back. So the door panels look like they're new, fully redesigned, of course. So you have different door panels. Look at that. Show you guys the style of it. Everything interior is cloth. You got some space here for DVDs that no longer exist. Magazines, whatever. Reading material, books. One downgrade, big downgrade, honestly, is of course getting rid of the 2.0s. But this is the EX model. At least they should have vents over here and USB and a Type-C ports over here, because they upgraded the front to the Type-C USB charging port, both of them. So if someone doesn't have a Type-C passenger or a family member, guess what? They can't really charge it because they don't have a Type-C inlet, so whatever. But yeah, you don't have vents in back or anything adjustable, nothing at all, right? Just going over that real quick. You do get a nice one little LED for the back side, light up. Keyless entry, as you can see. That would lock it, and this would unlock it. And then you do have blind spot monitoring system right there, as you can see. You can tell by that. Vents, copy and paste from a Civic. And on the passenger side, interior. And then this is what the center console looks like. 7-inch screen. This is what I was talking about. You got a Type-C charging port right here for the CarPlay, Android Auto, and then you got the Type-C charger only. So definitely carry two of them on. Carry one Type-C with the Samsung maybe in case somebody needs it. And definitely get the long ones, like the 5 feet long, because if somebody needs it from the back passenger, they won't be able to reach it, so definitely go for it. And on the inside here, this paper real quick, you got a cigarette lighter port under the armrest area, and this is how much space you got down here. So literally one end fits in it. Parking brakes, hold brake feature, econ, auto on and off feature as well for the engine idle. Yeah, let's start this up. Go on the other side, driver's side. We'll start it up and see what it looks like from the cluster. And this is for the top portion right here. You do have the moonroof, of course, as you can see. So it's a black Accord, but you still have that silver trim over it. I wish they at least blacked that part out. All right, going to the driver's side. So this is what the driver's side panel will look like. Driver, switch, and let's give it a start. Lower this down real quick because I don't want that sound. That's what that looks like. all of the sides, both the RPM and the miles per hour, is all digital. And you got the parking signs on the top bottom left. You got the degrees of temperature. You got the cooling temperature on that side. You got the fuel tank on the right side. And yeah, as you can see, sitting right here, no belt. Somebody sits in the back, it will tell you red, so they're not wearing a seat belt. And then take a look at this right now real quick. All right, so if I turn on the, let's see if it works as a Civic it did before. All right, so it does. See, so that lights up. When your headlights turn on, you will see it in there as well. That tells you that your headlights are on. And if you do signals, you will see that in the front blinking left and then right. And let's do hazards. So hazard would be like amber color. And this is like ASMR sound right here for the turn signals. All right, listen carefully, guys. That's the sound for that. And yep, so you got auto, you got dual climate zone control. You can tell by the sync button right here, and if you press it, both sides will be the same. AC is on, AC is now off. You have a defrost for the rear windows and the side mirrors. You got different modes for the air vents and front for inside, and we'll hit that. You got the heated seats, as you can see, high, low, whatever, both sides. Turn that on, and you'll get the marks up here too. So if you hit the phone, you'll see your phone data, radio, media, connect. If you hit connect, you have to, it's not a wireless, so you have to connect it from there. The menu button, so you have all these settings here that, so this way, if you ever get it, you'll see what kind of settings you got. Cross monitor traffic, which is traffic monitor, which is when you're in reverse, you will see a beeping noise from the right side or left side, depending on where the traffic is coming from, a car or a person. So it alerts you, makes a beeping noise. So that's that. And you can also twist it by here, and I believe touchscreen as well. So there you go. You can do both. And the back button there. And reverse, that's what the camera looks like. That's the camera right there. Wide, a little bit more narrow. That's super narrow, like right under. If you're gonna be parking in reverse and you wanna, you know, close to the curb. So I suggest using this view just to double check how far back you're going. And this is the on and off feature for the cross monitoring. What is that? Cross traffic monitoring. Yeah, that's that feature. Put it back in park. You hit the brakes, and you can also see those brakes light up. Cool. And a lot of revs. Yep, 4,000 RPM. But yeah, so that's the video, fam. This is it. That's what it looks like. Comment below what you guys think. Are you gonna be getting one or not? And if you guys could be kind enough, hit the smash the like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends, family on Facebook for car enthusiasts. They can all see what's up, you know, on the update on the Honda Accords. And that's it, fam. So peace out till next time.